Often, a person earnestly prays to Allah with the same plea, shedding tears and supplicating before Him. Listen, the one before whom you come with these tearful prayers is the Lord of all worlds, Rabbul Aalameen, the one who left no deficiency in the creation of the universe. How could He ever ignore your small prayer? Your Lord has repeatedly given hope in the Quran. Ask me, and I will grant. Understand this well. Allah never rejects a prayer. Your dua slowly carves paths for you and draws blessings closer. Sometimes a person reaches extreme despair, unaware of how swiftly circumstances can change. Allah Himself declares, "Whoever remembers me, I will reward them according to their desires." So remain patient until Allah decrees, for His decree is always the best. If you seek a special sign of blessings, know this. If Allah has kept you steadfast in dua and tahajjud, night prayers, this itself is the greatest sign that He is pleased. Do you know when Allah accepts a prayer? When your heart pleads with unwavering hope, certain that Allah will answer. A heart persistently attached to one dua is proof that Allah has already accepted it. If you feel your heart never tires of supplicating, it is a sign from Allah that He is about to grant your prayers. A heart that trusts Allah witnesses the greatest blessings in life. Many lose hope and abandon dua. But remember, stories turn around only for those who trust Allah. When hope begins to shatter, recall this Quranic verse. We see you repeatedly turning your face toward the sky. Allah is watching your perseverance. Know this. Allah accepts your repeated pleas not when you rush, but when you place complete trust in Him. He then creates small means for you, and those very means become pathways to acceptance. The greatest blessings arrive when you fully surrender your worries to Allah. He will never disappoint you, for your Lord is infinitely gracious. The acceptance of dua lies within you. When your sincerity, intention, and efforts align on one frequency, dua's acceptance becomes certain. Remember, Allah never sends anyone away empty-handed. Watch how He fills your life with beautiful colors, turning your repeated prayers into destined blessings. Insha'Allah. My heartfelt prayer is that Allah keeps you all prosperous and thriving. Ameen. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Jazakallah.